2016 Chevrolet Express raised roof 9-passenger conversion van here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile vehicle 84,571 is all. Underneath the hood, 6-liter V8 power that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, lower fascia. So kind of a dark gray exterior, gray interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this truck, or van, I guess you should say, from every angle. You'll also be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, and all those pics can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on Vision wheels. Radial tires, plenty of tread left in those tires too. You'll see a good close-up of those in the still pictures. Now paint here or there, it might have a little nick, a little scratch, but overall, very solid vehicle. Well maintained. Actually, recently, just had the brake fluid flushed, as well as changed. Brakes are 70% in the front. They were just redone in the rear. The calipers, rotors, and pads were all done. Technician that drove this in our service department said it checked out very well. Of course, leather buckets up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive too. I'm just going to open these doors up quick too. In the still pictures, you're going to see them swung out all the way. You just have to pull this little lever back when you have it not very far open, and it'll let you swing them all the way, almost parallel with the side panels of the van. So second row buckets, third row buckets, and then if you get way back there, you have a third row bench, so that's how you come up with 9-passenger. And that rear bench will also fold down, power folding bed, lighted and mirrored ceiling. You can see the size of the Samsung screen. So nicely equipped, limited SE Explorer conversion. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, maybe just a few little nicks or a scratch here or there. Not going to affect the performance of this. Great for traveling, vacations. Just need to haul some people. Also nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Heater blows hot. Still some nice storage area back here too with that seat folded up. Towing package in case you want to pull a boat or doing a little camping or fishing. Once again, actual miles, clean Carfax. If you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Everything from 70 GTOs to 2016. Raised roof, 9-passenger conversion vans. How about that? Know somebody that's looking for a van or a people mover, go ahead and share this too. Let them know about it. Help them out. And as you can see up and down the driver's side, paint has a nice shine to it, don't get me wrong. Nice finish to it. There's just maybe an imperfection here or there. The van's been driven. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. I would say there's probably close to 100 pictures of this online. So again, you can see it from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, seating, nice condition. Leather's not ripped, torn, of course, armrests. First 3 rows, tilt column, cruise control, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You'll see. Now, just so you know, it looks like that was flashing or is flashing. That's the phase in the video in the camera. It is not doing that in person when you look at it. It's just normal. 84,571 actual miles. AM, FM. Turn it up. Also CD player. Stereo is working. We look, we look up above here on the upper console, and we do have AC and heat for the rear. There's your lighting for the rear also, controls. Top of the dash, looking good. Great interiors on these. Be considered a 3/4 ton or 2500 chassis. Slip around the back seat here and run. It's just what you'd expect. Sounds like a stock 6-liter express van. There's also a backup camera too back here, obviously making it a lot easier. Back that baby up. It appears that is a smart TV, by the way, the Samsung in the back. Take a look at that, if you will. You got Netflix, YouTube TV, Facebook, Chrome. Keep the kids busy, your family busy heading down the road. I'm going to pause this and pop this hood. We'll take a quick look at the engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, there's the underside of the hood. And 6-liter. V8 power. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Second newer battery also. 1119. Not as new as it looks, just as nice and clean and tidy underneath there. You know what this would be good for? Tailgating. How about some of that? 2016 Chevrolet Express raised roof 9-passenger conversion van. Explorer conversion. Clean Carfax, actual miles, no accidents indicated, 84,571. Checked out well in our service department. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 2016 Chevrolet Express van. Looking good inside and out. Great for hosting parties, and how about a road trip? A lot of cool amenities, a lot of comfort features, and easy to drive like any other van, just a little bigger and taller. Automatic right here on the column. Turn signals are working, gauges are working. Oil pressure showing 45 psi, maybe 50 when you get on the throttle a little bit. Battery gauge showing 14 volts. The fuel gauge a little under half. And the temperature gauge around 200. Speedometer working. This van doesn't even have very many miles on it. Stereo working well.
Completely sold out, and booth space is already.
It's nice dark wood grain looking dash mixed with the black. Very nice. The only wear I'm seeing is at the top of the doors, and really you can cover that pretty easily. Overhead, more HVAC controls and switches. Nice comfortable ride even in the front in this van. Leather bucket seats. Leather bucket seats all around, but for that back seat, which does have a bench in the middle with fold-down armrest if you like to use that. Braking is nice and smooth. A little bit of traffic. Great running van. Has a lot of GM vehicles in this era. Reliable engines. Just enough rumble to let you know that it's running good. A lot of steering wheel controls. You'd expect something this tall to lean a lot in the corners. It really doesn't. Feels comfortable in the corners and on the straightaways. Check out all the pictures inside and out. Look in the back party area of this 2016 Chevrolet Express van at uniqueclassiccars.com.